So here, let's do a step-by-step connectivity process of the monitor speakers. So the first thing that we're going to do is make sure the power cable for the monitor speakers is plugged in on your monitor speakers. When you go in the back, you see a spot where you can put your power cable here, and then you just make sure it's powered on, and you do this for both your monitor speakers, but I've already done one and I'm going to demonstrate only using one. So you turn them on, and then you use these cables right here. Here you see this spot that has got the female XLR port, and then you plug this in, which I've already done to the other speaker, and then you make sure the cables are the right cables. You make sure this is the right and this is the left. So when your sound card is connected to your computer and it's turned on, as you can see, all you need to do is plug this in here in the back where it says out 2 and out 1. So the right will go on the out 2 and the left will go on the right 1. So now what you need to do is just turn the monitor speakers on, but before you do this, make sure the volume knob is turned all the way down to 0. So all you do is just turn it on. As you can see, the green light there indicates that it's on. Turn this one on too, then you just increase the volume to 0 decibels. Do the same to this. And now the next step is you testing the sound. Is it actually working? What you need to do is open up your DAW. I'm going to be using Reaper. And when Reaper is opened up, what you need to do is just go to the options, scroll down to preferences, and select your sound card, which the monitor speakers are connected to. So as you can see, it's connected on ASIO, and input is on Complete Audio. That's the name of the sound card. Everything is connected on the output, so all you need to do is just press OK. And now let's test out if the speakers are actually working. You can easily grab an audio file, and what you need to do is just play and use the volume knob to see if the sound is coming out. You can turn the volume to what you are comfortable with. So right now all the speakers are playing. Left and the right. So there you have it. That's a simple step-by-step that you could do to set up your monitor speakers, and they're actually working. Pretty easy, and with these steps you can actually get to mix, produce, and do whatever you need to do in a recording space using monitor speakers.